What you're supposed to do when you don't like a thing is change it. If you can't change it, change the way you think about it. Don't complain. When I despair, I remember that all through history the way of truth and love have always won. There have been tyrants and murderers, and for a time, they can seem invincible, but in the end, they always fall. Think of it always. Nothing is impossible, the word itself says I'm possible. Do what you feel in your heart to be right, for you'll be criticized anyway. I can't give you a surefire formula for success, but I can give you a formula for failure. Try to please everybody all the time. Never doubt that a small group of thoughtful, committed citizens can change the world. Indeed, it is the only thing that ever has. Happiness is not something ready-made. It comes from your own actions. Peace begins with a smile. Don't read, as children do, to amuse yourself, or like the ambitious, for the purpose of instruction. No, read in order to live. Whatever you are, be a good one. Who controls the past controls the future. Who controls the present controls the past. May you live every day of your life. If my life is going to mean anything, I have to live it myself. Isn't it nice to think that tomorrow is a new day with no mistakes in it yet? You can't stay in your corner of the forest waiting for others to come to you. You have to go to them sometimes.